cleaning out that old, dirty oil from your engine. We're not just talking about a regular oil change. We're talking about a deep clean and engine flush. Doing this can seriously improve your engine's performance and lifespan. So, if you've noticed your car running a bit rough, or you just want to give it some extra love, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, why should you even bother with an engine flush? Well, over time, sludge, carbon deposits, and other nasty gunk build up inside your engine. A simple oil drain doesn't get rid of all of it. This buildup can clog oil passages, starve vital components of lubrication, and lead to overheating and serious damage. An engine flush is like a detox for your car, clearing out all that harmful residue. Okay, let's talk about how to do it. The easiest and safest method for most people is to use a commercial engine flush additive. These products are specifically designed to dissolve sludge and deposits without harming your engine's seals or gaskets. Before you drain your old oil, you'll simply pour the engine flush additive directly into the oil filler port. Then, you'll run the engine at idle for about 10 to 15 minutes. Don't rev the engine or drive the car. Just let it idle so the flush can circulate and do its work. After the time is up, turn off the engine and proceed with a standard oil change. Be extra careful as the oil will be hot. Drain all of the old, thinned-out oil completely. You'll probably be shocked at how dark and dirty it looks. Once it's all drained, it's absolutely crucial to replace the oil filter. The old filter is now full of all the gunk the flush just cleaned out, so you definitely want a fresh one. Finally, fill your engine with new, high-quality oil according to your manufacturer's specifications. Check the dipstick to make sure the level is correct. And that's it. You've successfully flushed your engine. You should notice a smoother, quieter ride, and you'll have peace of mind knowing your engine is clean on the inside. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more car care tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.